Hello, how are you?
Hi, I am fine.
What's your name?
My name is Sarah.
Where are you from?
I am from New York.
How old are you?
I am 25 years old.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have 4 siblings.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is black.
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza.
What's your favorite animal?
I like cats.
What do you like to do for fun?
I enjoy playing soccer.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is The Lion King.
Do you have any pets?
No, I don't have any pets.
What's your favorite subject in school?
I really like maths.
What's your favorite season?
I love summer because I can go to the beach.
What's your dream job?
I always wanted to be a doctor.
Do you like to read books?
Yes, I love reading books.
What's your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is painting.
What's your favorite TV show?
I love watching Friends on TV.
Nice to meet you. See you again.
Nice to meet you too. I look forward to see you again.
Bye.
Bye bye.